everyone, this is Veda Tiwari.
This is Manji Tiwari.
Today we will learn about sight words. So what is sight words? These are the common words which we use regularly, and phonics rule doesn't apply here. Children should recognize just looking at the word. So let's start. Can you tell me which word is this?
For.
Very nice. This is for. F-O-R, for.
Go.
G-O, go. Very nice.
To.
Yes. T-O, to.
We.
Very nice. It's we.
I.
I.
By.
B-Y, by. Very nice.
At.
A-T, at.
He.
H-E, he. It.
It.
I-T, it.
The.
T-H-E, the. If. Very nice. I-F, if.
Is.
I-S, is.
A-N-N.
Very nice. A-N-N.
A.
Very nice.
A-M-M-N.
A-M-M.
N-O. No.
N-O, no. Very nice.
In.
I-N-N.
On.
O-N, on.
D-O. Do.
Very nice. D-O, do. So these are the first level sight words. We will cover more sight words in next video. So are you ready for the activity?
Yes.
So let's start. Let's start with the activity. As we know, children should remember and recognize the sight words just looking at the sentences. So, for the first sight word, the, can you guess the children? Where is the in the first sentence? Yes, it's over here. The building is tall. Can you see the in the second sentence? Yes, it's over here. My mother went to the market. Can you see the sight word in the third sentence? Yes, it's here. The sun is round. Now let's check its sight word. Can you see it in first sentence? Yes, it's here. It is a holiday today. Can you see it over here? Yes, it is here. Now let's check he sight word. Can you see the he sight word over here? Yes, it's here. He can dance very well. Now look for second sentence. Can you see he anywhere? Yes, it's here. He is a good boy. Now let's check for is sight word. Can you see is somewhere? Yes, it's here. My name is Veda Tiwari. Now check second sentence. Can you see is sight word anywhere? Yes, it's over here. She is a good girl. Now let's check another sight word. It's on. Can you see it here? Yes, it's here. On. The book is on the table. Now let's check second sentence. Can you see anywhere? On sight word? Yes, it's over here. I was sitting on a chair. Now let's check another sight words. We have a 2. Can you see 2 anywhere? Yes, it's over here. I love to dance. Now let's check second sentence. Can you see anywhere? Yes, it's here. It's also here. He had to go to the doctor. So we can see 2 sight word over here. One is here and second is here. Now let's check for in sight word. Can you see in first sentence? Yes, it's over here. The toy is in cupboard. Now look for second sentence. Can you see in sight word over here any? Yes, it's here. Fishes are in the pond. Now let's check for sight word. Can you see anywhere? Yes, it's here. The cake is for Veda. Now look for the second sentence. Can you see for sight word? Yes, it's here. Please bring a chocolate for me. So, sight word is here. So, these are the few sight words which we have covered in this video. So, do you like the activity?
Yes.
For 3 word and 4 word sight word, we will cover in another video. So, for then, just keep learning and enjoy.
Hope you like the video. Please subscribe